Have you ever heard of castor oil packs for liver detoxification? There's been a lot of buzz around this natural remedy, but is it a myth or a miracle? Today, we'll explore the science behind it, expert opinions, and how it might work for your body's detox process. Hey, wellness warriors! Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where we explore the magic of natural remedies, wellness tips, and sustainable living. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our natural wellness tips. If you're interested in exploring more about natural remedies and holistic health, don't forget to like this video and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Now, let's explore the healing powers of castor oil packs. Castor oil packs are created by soaking a cloth in castor oil and placing it on the body, typically over the liver, to stimulate detoxification. The idea is that castor oil, when applied to the skin, can penetrate deeply into tissues and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Traditionally, castor oil packs have been used to promote circulation, reduce inflammation, and support the liver in removing toxins. Now, let's get into the claims behind these packs and whether they actually do what people say they do. Many believe that applying a castor oil pack to the liver area can enhance liver detoxification. The idea is that castor oil can improve circulation and lymphatic drainage, thereby helping the liver flush out toxins more efficiently. Some proponents claim that castor oil packs can increase bile production, reduce liver congestion, and even improve overall liver health by supporting the body's detoxification processes. However, when it comes to science, the verdict is still unclear. While some studies suggest castor oil may have anti-inflammatory properties and promote circulation, there's limited evidence supporting the idea that castor oil packs specifically detoxify the liver. One study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine suggests that castor oil's anti-inflammatory effects can benefit various parts of the body, but it doesn't directly show that it enhances liver detox. Experts agree that liver detoxification is primarily a job for the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. While castor oil packs might offer some local relief and relaxation, they should not be seen as a miracle cure for liver health. Even though there's no magic detox happening, castor oil packs can still be helpful for reducing inflammation, supporting circulation, and providing relief for muscle tension. Here's how to use a castor oil pack safely. Step 1. Start by laying a towel or cloth flat on a clean surface. Step 2. Pour a generous amount of castor oil onto the cloth. Step 3. Place the cloth on the area you want to treat, usually over the liver. Step 4. Cover with plastic wrap to avoid mess. Step 5. Apply a warm compress or heating pad over the pack for about 30 to 60 minutes. After you're done, remove the pack, and wipe off the excess oil. It's best to do this before bed so your body can absorb the benefits while you sleep. So, is the castor oil pack a miracle detox solution? Not quite, but it can still be a soothing, beneficial addition to your wellness routine. It's important to remember that while castor oil packs might help with inflammation, muscle relaxation, and circulation, they shouldn't replace professional medical treatments or detox protocols. Always consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any detox regimen, especially if you have liver disease or other health conditions. Have you tried castor oil packs for liver detox, or do you have any favorite natural remedies? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, take care of your body with love and natural solutions. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health tips and natural remedies. Leave your questions about castor oil packs in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.